To finish my make videos, I go talk about look like people. If you look like people don't have a cell phones, don't have technology, if you go to the take off the technology and live for life, if you want to make videos, if you want to look like people make videos, you make videos too, because people make videos look like people make videos, and people speak English look like people speak English. And to finish, repeat your people, repeat your things, repeat your people, repeat your vocabulary is just the same. Here we go to the